In this video, I'll show you how to make the header transparent in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to your top bar, and on the left-hand side, simply click on Edit so we can start customizing our website. Now, once you are on the Edit page, the first step is to hover your mouse on the header. This should be at the very top of your website, and once you hover on header, you will have an option to edit the site header. Simply click on Edit Site Header. And once you do that, at the bottom and the right hand side, you will have a new option to edit the design. Simply click on Edit Design. And once you do that on the tab, what you want to do is simply click on Color. Now, this is where we can start making our header transparent. Simply head over to the solid option. And if you click on the drop down, what you can do is set this to adaptive. And as you can see, we now have a transparent header. Now, you might wonder if this also works if the background is not a solid color. So if we head over to the right hand side and click on Edit section, from here, I want to change the background, so I'll head to the background tab. Now, if we change this to an image, as you can see, the header will automatically adapt to the background of your image. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.